T-Mobile's primary brand promise, it's the combination of our product, the 5G network, and the service that we provide both in our stores and through our care channel. The company's going through changes on a number of fronts. We have obviously absorbed Sprint. We are changing the way that we work. We have focused on digital delivery. So having a digital foundation allows us to control our own destiny and do that in a very fast and agile manner. It's very exciting to be here and being able to bring new capabilities to bear. I love that I work at a company that is willing to take on those big challenges. We have so much opportunity. Every day brings a new challenge and everyone has the opportunity to advance every day. T-Mobile has a particularly complex technology landscape. Supporting a number of other domains is SAP at the core as our system of record for financials and inventory valuation. The significant customizations that we have in our environment were a driver that helped us also consider other options besides just core SAP support. There were components that they struggled to support. And when I think about business continuity and the idea of bringing in an outside provider to support us from that, it is an incredibly critical decision for us. I was astonished at the level of expenditure that we had for SAP and what it took to just keep that coming. When we looked at the value proposition of Rimini saying, we'll give you all of the same things for half of that cost. The technology that Rimini supports is incredibly expansive in terms of the business impact and the breadth of operations that it supports. It touches nearly every aspect of the company, and we're delighted to have Rimini with that expansive role in supporting us. I think the breadth of experience that Rimini brings with different customers, the challenges that they have experienced, and being able to bring that to bear at T-Mobile has been a mitigation of risk for us.